Welcome to the new year and to an unboxing extravaganza. Yes, we'll be looking at a whole lot of different products today because it's TechForce time. Let's go! First up, we've got the SoundPeats clear wireless Bluetooth earbuds. And these are 5.3 Bluetooth, and they've got about 40 hours of playback time. You have a dual microphone with ENC for clear calls. It's got game modes, app controls, and it's transparent black. But let's get right into the box. And in the box, we've got the earbuds, one charging case, 2 additional ear tips, and then lastly, we have the multilingual user guide. That means it comes in a variety of different languages so that we can all read what's going on. As soon as you get this product, I would recommend charging it. That's because charging normally takes around 2 hours to fully charge the case itself. The earbuds take around 90 minutes to charge. It has a handy charging indicator light, and this is visible on the charging case itself. That's a nice touch. I like seeing how my charging is progressing. Both earbuds magnetically attach to the case, perfectly aligning with the charging contact pins. I like this design. Also, some models feature deep well types placements that become difficult to clean. This design by SoundPeats allows for easy cleaning with a slightly damp cloth, so making my life a little bit easier. Thank you very much. I appreciate. There's a touch-sensitive control area on the largest facing part. You're able to control the volume, track selection, and more. I also found them extremely comfortable too. Even during prolonged uses, no earache, nothing, no earlobe swelling up, no ear aches, no pains, so that's great. The battery case itself provides around 40 hours of charge for the earbuds, and this means that you can charge these earbuds around 6 times before you need to recharge the case itself. With these headphones, I've only got one little but, and that little but is that there's no active noise cancelling technology built into these headphones. That's one little thing, not a problem, and then also the initial charge does take a little while. But that's all I've got to say about this. Up next, we've got the Exitor Wallets, and these are the wallets that are normally used by, let's say, spies, MI6, men of mystery, people who like to keep things slick and slim and on the move, 007-ish, if you get my drift. Yes, I love Exitor Wallets, and I have one that I use in my EDC. EDC is technical code for everyday carry. In the box, no surprises here, it's only the wallet. A little surprise would have been nice. How about, when you give somebody a wallet, you give them something inside the wallet, so it's not just getting an empty wallet. A voucher maybe. I'm not asking for hard cash, just a little something. But yes, all we're getting in the box is the wallet. Ekster wallets are incredibly attractive. This is thanks to the handcrafted, sustainable leather in the goods that they use, and also in the range of colors that they come. It holds 7 cards and has a strap for your cash, with the click button that makes all the cards pop up for easy access. Nothing like having a little button for easy access. All your cards pop up with this button. Then, Ekster wallets also have a solar-powered tracker cards that allow you to call your phone or your wallet when you lose it, or track it on a map, just like, Ethan Hunt might do. Yes, you see, I told you, this is very secret spy stuff. It tracks your wallet, your phone gets tracked by your phone, by your wallet. Oh, I love this stuff. Then, Ekster wallets are affordable when you consider how premium they are. And let me tell you, they are premium. They range anywhere from 80 to 100 pounds, and this is a fair price for this great piece of technology. Unfortunately, the elastic band does tend to stretch, and this happens because when I keep a constant number of cards in, everything stays tight. But when I take a few cards out, the band then becomes loose. This makes me hesitate a little bit to adding extra cards. Then sliding money under the strap isn't great, but let's be frank, you've got a card holder because you don't want to carry cash. We're living in like a cashless society, that type of thing. So if you expect to carry more than a couple of bills, this wallet might be losing them. I really do like using this wallet as my EDC. It keeps everything nice and tight and it has such a small footprint. It fits in my pocket. There's no big bulging, things like that. So I really do love this wallet. This is just a great brand, and it has such a great variety of colors and things like that. Check out the website. It's a must. Now we have another wallet, and this one comes from Bellroy Wallets, and it has the slim sleeve, and we've got the hide and seek wallets as well. In the box, as before, we've only got the wallets. Give us a little something extra. Extra, read all about it. I love a little extra. Come on, guys. This Bellroy wallet comes with a 3-year warranty, and isn't that great? That shows that they have trust in their product. Also, the style is very good in the wallets. They are 100% leather, and these wallets look good and cha-ching expensive. Yes, they're looking expensive. It only measures 0.8 inches thick, and this means they're ultra slim. They are the on-the-go type wallets that's compact, handsome, and holds only what you need, and that's what the Bellroy Slim Sleeve gives you. If you're heading off to Vegas and you're going to be holding reams and reams of cash, then this might not be the right wallet for you. It prioritizes cards and style over notes and coin storage. And if you're one of those people that still feel the need to be prepared with every card for every conceivable life situation, you know, you've still got your card for the library from when you were in 12th grade. If you're one of those people, then there are just not enough slots in this wallet for you. I wouldn't want to put any more than about 4 in this wallet. So if you're one of those guys that have every card, you know, there are more cards and more plastic in your wallet than in most of the landfills, then this wallet's not for you. And next in our extravaganza is the Imou Cell Go with solar panel. And in the box here we have 1 camera, 1 mounting bracket, and 1 power adapter. Once installed, it will trigger a siren when a human is detected, keeping unwanted visitors away from your home. It's got that little AI person that sits in it and watches and sees if there's a human that comes into the frame. The Cell Go also has a built-in voice changer, which will help protect your privacy so nobody can recognize your voice.
No matter how funny you make your voice, it'll change your voice for you so that nobody can distinguish that it's you who is speaking.
Then it can also be used as a hotspot to connect directly to your phone so that you can transmit the footage, sharing the footage immediately. It comes in 2K resolution and has a solar power as well, making sure the device is always charged and ready to watch out for any intruders. Then it would be nice to see the option to record continuously. Unfortunately, it doesn't do this, and it's only limited to motion recording, so when it detects a movement, and this is a shame because it would add great versatility to the Imou Cell 2. Either way, it's great to have someone or something looking out for you day and night. And if you'd like to look out for us, go on over and click the like and subscribe button. Go on, who knows, we could be your very first like and subscribe of the new year. How cool will that be? You'll look back in the year 2050 and think,
oh yes, I remember when I first subscribed to Tech Force. Oh, the good old days, yes.
Go on over, give us that like, give us the subscribe. Last up today in our extravaganza is the Cloudypow 3-in-1 portable wireless charger. And in the box, yes, you guessed it, there is a wireless charger and 1 Type-C cable. It's not only a charger, but also a mobile phone holder. It has adjustable height and foldable features, ensuring you can use it for displaying entertainment. So while you've got it charging, you can be watching. This is a multi-charger, and it is designed to be compact and minimalistic, allowing it to fit basically in the palm of your hand, in your pocket, in your bag, anywhere it needs to be, and this is all for convenience on the go. If you're often on the move, this is the charger for you. Why is it the charger for you? Well, it is perfect charging combo for your iPhone, your Apple Watch, and your AirPods simultaneously. Yes, it charges all 3 devices at once, eliminating cables, eliminating space, eliminating power points, making your life sleeker, neater, and more compact. The only thing you have to bear in mind is that you have to use a fast charger adapter that is greater than 20 watts to charge the device properly. I'm loving this charger. It is a one-stop wireless charging solution to organize your home, office, travel, and even your hotel, making life easier. In conclusion, that's the end of the extravaganza. Let us know in the comments below which is your favorite product. Welcome to 2024. I'm looking forward to another year full of amazing tech and gadgets. Catch you in the next one. Bye bye. Wow, time really does fly, and so does technology. What next? I can't wait to tell you about what's next. See you in the next one.